Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms, powering over 2.5 million live stores worldwide and operating in more than 175 countries. One of the key reasons for its success is the Shopify API, which enables developers to create custom applications and extensions for the Shopify platform. In case your SaaS solution provides features such as product management, inventory syncing, multi-channel selling, or order automation, you will need to work with the Shopify Product API. The Shopify Product API ecosystem provides developers with everything they need to manage product data, from adding and updating to deleting products, processing images, handling attributes, and retrieving categories. The Product API syncs app data with Shopify, ensuring that product details, inventory, and prices remain up to date for a seamless shopping experience and reliable business operations. For e-commerce software providers, mastering these APIs is the key to building scalable, automated, and reliable solutions. Shopify's API infrastructure is designed for high performance and scalability, ensuring that the application can handle many requests and scale with the merchant's business growth. Also, software developers can leverage the extensive ecosystem of apps, tools, and services by integrating with the Shopify Product API. This integration opens up new opportunities and can increase the application's value proposition. However, building and maintaining direct Shopify API integration can be resource-intensive and time-consuming, especially when you need to connect with multiple e-commerce platforms. API 2Cart offers a unified API that allows your e-commerce software to integrate with Shopify and 60+ other e-commerce platforms and marketplaces, including Magento, WooCommerce, Etsy, Wix, OpenCart, Shopee, Temu, TikTok Shop, Flipkart, and others at once without maintaining each connection separately. By connecting through a single integration, software developers can easily access Shopify's product data, along with other valuable store data, such as orders, customers, inventory, shipments, and more, across different platforms. This approach simplifies development and accelerates time to market for e-commerce tools that need to support multiple sales channels. Additionally, API 2Cart provides a comprehensive set of 100+ API methods that allow software applications to efficiently manage and sync product data on Shopify, including product info, product update, and product list. By integrating with API 2Cart, software developers can efficiently retrieve and update product information on Shopify, enabling seamless product management. It also enables developers to focus on building core product features while ensuring seamless and stable integration with Shopify and other platforms. With API 2Cart, SaaS teams can save months of development time, reduce maintenance costs, and scale integrations across multiple platforms with a unified API. Contact us today and explore how to easily develop Shopify Product API integration via API 2Cart. Start your free trial right now.